Health insurance. It's the most important purchase any of us will ever make. At Health Insurance Innovations, we know it has to be right, and we're bringing a new approach to the challenge of health coverage. There have been some big changes to healthcare recently, but there are still over 30 million Americans without insurance coverage. The consequences can be frightening. As many as 1 in every 3 bankruptcies in America happen because of spiraling medical costs.
Health insurance has always been a burden financially. When you have a family, healthcare is your #1 concern. With my last insurance company, we never knew where we stood. At one point, I took my daughter to the doctor, and when we got there, the doctor told me that she was no longer covered under the policy.
It was very scary. We just didn't feel secure in our coverage.
Currently, over half the country find themselves with only 1 carrier to choose from on the federal marketplace. And with ACA premiums an average of 18% higher than last year, more and more people are struggling to find coverage.
Starting my own business absolutely meant that I had to get my own health insurance. I put my whole life savings into this. I put blood, sweat, and tears into this, so I couldn't afford to do a plan with healthcare that was $2,000 a month.
I felt very scared. It's kind of scary just starting from new.
I had to succeed. I had to be able to provide for my family. So being able to find a policy within my price range was huge.
We believe people deserve more. More access to policies that fit their needs, and more options for their budget.
I went back to school because I wanted to find a career that I enjoyed. I was 28, which meant that I couldn't be covered by my parents' health insurance, so I had to find my own. If I couldn't find affordable health insurance, then I would still be working at a job that I didn't like and not following my dreams to become a medical professional. My agent told me the price of the plan through HIIQ. I was like, wow. I told her wow on the phone. Now I'm able to follow my career dreams and know that I'm covered.
At HIIQ, we believe it starts with the individual. We're not an insurer, and we don't take on claims risk. Instead, we work with leading carriers to deliver the best value options for the consumer. By combining data from analytics, market intelligence, and feedback from thousands of agents, we help carriers create policies that meet the real needs of Americans. Our scalable, cloud-based technology allows licensed brokers to access these policies and a host of benefits to find the right coverage for their clients' needs and budget.
As a broker, my favorite thing about HIIQ is their customer service. I can reach out to them on my customer's behalf and get problems taken care of quickly. That's important to me. The HIIQ platform allows me to be creative. I can listen to my clients' needs and then come up with a plan that fits what they need and what they can afford. If it wasn't for HIIQ, many Americans today would be risking bankruptcy because they just couldn't afford the high rates of health insurance.
At a time when so many lack the health insurance that fits their situation, we helped over 1 million people get the right coverage last year. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do, and we take great pride in our outstanding complaint ratio of 0.01%. We work closely with state regulators, helping us deliver the very best in value and care for the consumer. This approach has seen our customer base grow every year since 2008, and we're just getting started. We believe everyone deserves access to healthcare, and we're helping make that a reality for millions of Americans.
I feel that if it wasn't for HIIQ, that we wouldn't be able to get by. It's a very safe feeling to know that you have good health insurance, that if anything happens to us on a daily basis, we're covered.
As a broker, when it comes to buying insurance for me and my family, I have a lot of options. I chose the HIIQ platform because for half the price, we were able to get a lower deductible, way better customer service, and oh, by the way, a few 100,000 more doctors. It just made sense.
I feel more confident knowing that we're covered and our kids are covered.
Yeah, and that means the world to us.
At HIIQ, we're building a future where health protection is available to everyone.